Hello everyone, welcome to part 72 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.7, and in this video we are going to work on shipping address. Okay, so last time we have seen the billing address. Billing address is coming from the user details, user account, page, that if the user has updated here, then it will come here as well as billing address, and if in case user will not update, then here also user needs to fill his billing address. Okay, so now we are going to work on shipping address, and in shipping address, for shipping address as well, we will create one table. Okay, from that table, the we are going to save this shipping address in that table whenever we click on checkout, and from next time we are going to pre-fill this shipping form as well from that table. Okay, so after that we will also work on shipping address, same as billing address functionality. Here if we will click on this one, then it will copy everything to shipping address, because we don't want the user to fill the shipping address once again if the shipping address is same as billing address. Okay, so it will save the user time. Okay, so these things we are going to work on part 72. So in part 72, we will continue working on checkout page, and this time we will work delivery address form. We will create one table, that is, we can say delivery addresses. To save the delivery address there, and for future orders we can pre-fill delivery address from that table. Okay, so this thing we are going to do. Okay, so and also we will work on shipping address, same as billing address functionality. So that it will save user time when both addresses are same. Okay, so let's start with the first step. First of all, we are going to create delivery addresses table. Okay, and this time we are going to create manually as well. Okay, to save time you can create with migration, Laravel migration. We'll create delivery address table manually, and this time from phpmyadmin. You can create the Laravel migration command as well. Okay, so we'll create delivery delivery addresses table with below columns. Okay, so the column which we are going to add, like same as that we have created for user table, but here user ID will come, and user email we will also add here. Okay, that both the columns are unique, and after that we are going to add name. Okay, we are going to add address, we are going to add city, we are going to add state, we are going to add pin code, and we are going to add mobile, created at, and created at, and updated at. Okay, so this thing we are going to do, and after that we are going to create models. Okay, so we are going to create this delivery addresses table with these columns. Let's do first this one. We are going to select sample table. Okay, here we are going to add delivery addresses like this. We are adding plural because we need to create model later on, so that's why we are adding like this. Okay, so here it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 columns we are going to add. Okay, so let's do it. Here I'm going to add ID. Okay, after that user ID, email, name, address, city, state, country, pin code, mobile, correct. We also need one more. We will add later on. First, let's do here auto increment primary. Okay, so like this, and user ID is fine. User mail we can do varchar. Okay, we can select 255 as standard. No issue at all. You can select less according to your requirement. Here also varchar is enough, and here you can for all the fields. Okay, you can even add test for address if you think that there will be more data required, means then it's your wish. Otherwise, adding all as varchar. Okay, and this one we can select timestamp, cut that. Okay, so let's save it. After getting that, we are going to add updated at as well. Okay, so we are going to add updated as well. Timestamp again. I am going to select. Now see our table delivery addresses table is ready. All the columns are here: ID, user mail, name, address, city, state, country, pin code, mobile, created, updated. Okay, so now the next step, here also city, state, country, we have left with country. Okay, so now we will create model. So create model delivery address like this. Okay, so now we will create model delivery address with command, and that is we have done lot of times. PHP artisan make model delivery address like this. Okay, so what I am going to do, going to run one more git bash here. PHP artisan make model delivery address. Fine. Okay. See, modified successfully. Now this one we can use here. Our delivery address table and model is ready. Okay. So now we can continue with it, but first of all, before saving these fields, after clicking on checkout, we need to save all the information of billing form to user details. Means in users table we are going to update all the information. If we update here, we will also update in user table. And if we update shipping address, means here, like first time user will surely fill his shipping address. So this one we are going to save here in delivery addresses table. Okay, but first of all we will work on this functionality, shipping address same as billing address. Okay, so every time if the user will click here a shipping address same as billing address checkbox, then all this data are going to copy to shipping address, because it will save user's time, it will save his uh, uh, time from filling all the information, same information again, and click on checkout. Okay, so this is really beneficial. So we are going to work on this thing now. Okay, so for this we will update uh, main.js file, main.js file. Okay, uh, we will add jQuery uh, to copy billing address to shipping address when shipping address is same as billing address. Okay, so we are going to take this step whenever shipping address is same as billing address. Okay, so now we are going to do this one. Okay, so in main.js file I am going to add the script. Okay, here at the bottom we can add here, we can write here shipping address, we can say copy billing address to shipping address script. Okay, like this we can save it. Okay, so we will also open the checkout blade file to check that which ID we have used in checkout blade file to copy. See, we have given bill to ship. Okay, so this is the ID that we require here to start with. So we are going to pass the event when this ID is going to click, when this checkbox is going to be checked. Okay, on checked of the checkbox, on enable of the checkbox, we can say, or on the checked of the checkbox, we will do the execution of the script. Okay, so let's do it in jQuery. Here, every time if checkbox is going to be checked, so every time if checkbox is going to be clicked, first we will do on click like build to ship. Build to ship is our ID, build to ship. So build to ship is on click event. We will pass here and like this. Okay, so here we will see if this dot checked. Okay, if this dot checked. Okay, so if this dot checked, I'm going to first do some alert that after clicking on check it will come or not. Okay, then we will continue with another step. No, it is not coming. We need to see whether it will come or not. If it will not come, we need to see the error. These are for the four errors that we can ignore, and what we need to see here. Okay, at the time of click, I'm going to see whether alert will work here or not. Okay, so I'm going to add here as well, check here as well. Okay, let's check. Okay, now I'm going to click after refresh. And this one is also not working, I think. Okay, we need to see the jQuery whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so first I'm going to move this one. I'm going to add like this. Nothing. And okay, so we need to see what the issue has come here. We can here check in control U. Our query, jQuery is there or not? jQuery is there. jQuery validate. All the jQuery is here, but we can change the event as well. We can simply use here like this. Dot click function. It seems like I am not making any mistake. I'm going to see whether it's fine or not. Yes, it's fine. And this one also we can check. It's not working. And now another thing that we can do here. See, it is working outside, but it is not working inside. What strange thing. Okay, so what I am going to update the ID here. I am going to make it like copy address. Okay, so let's change the ID here. Okay, so here as well we can do copy address, and here as well we can make it copy address as well. And now we can check again. Okay, so test one is working fine, and here, oh, now it's working fine. I don't know, I might be it is not picking numeric. That is might be issue, because now it's working fine. Copy address is working fine, so you can replace it with copy address. And here also I will mention in step 3 that you can update checkout.blade.php file and give ID and name to this checkbox to box like copy address. Okay, as shown in video. Okay, after that in step 4 we are going to update this one at jQuery. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, and now we can update this main.js, and here we can add now that if this dot checked this and alert, we can add it here. Okay, okay, fine. Now we can click. Now it is working fine. Okay, so now on the click of checked option, when we check this checkbox, then we will execute here, and from here we can copy. We can first take the value of means we can copy the value of billing to shipping. Then first we are going to write shipping name, and its value is going to contain shipping value like this. Okay, it will contain the billing name like this. Okay, dot value inside. Okay, so now we can check again to see whether it copies the name. No, it not copies the name. To see shipping name, billing name, and we need to see here as well. Okay, sorry, we forgot to update this shipping form, so we need to update this shipping form as well. Okay, so here not only ID and name we need to work on, we need to update uh, shipping address form with ID and name for all fields. Okay, so all fields are required IDs and names like we have done for billing form, and here also we require name and ID. Name here like shipping name, and ID will be like shipping name as well. Okay, so this one we are going to copy here. Like this. Okay, here we need to make changes. Go to the form, shipping underscore mobile, pin code. Here we need to update according to that drop down we need to do. Shortly we will update this as well. Okay, so all the fields we have done. Now for country as well, we need to do in the similar manner like we have done for billing country. and for shipping country as well, we need to repeat that same kind of thing here as well. Okay, so here we will do shipping country. Okay, this one we need to remove because this one is not required here. So we can remove this and this one like this. Okay, so now our shipping form is ready with name and IDs. Okay, so now we can refresh once again, and now we can copy, and still it is not coming, and now we need to see once again what is the issue. Name ID is here, name ID is also here, shipping name, and here we are getting the value of billing name. Oh, what the hell, I have done mistake like this. Okay, so now we are going to refresh again, and we see here now this time Steve has come. That is good. Yeah, for us. Now we can do this copy paste kind of stuff for here, and here now we can add all the fields once again. Okay, so here like this, address, city, state, pin code, mobile, country. So we will check name. Yeah, we can move name, address, city, state, country, name, address, city, state, country, pin code, and mobile. Now all the fields are done. Now we can save again, and we'll see now. See, all the fields are coming here. All the fields are copy from build to and ship to. Now, if we will uncheck, for uncheck, we need to make it empty once again. So we will add here else condition. Okay, in else condition, we are going to remove all. Okay, like this. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to copy once again everything, but here we are going to make this one empty. Okay, so we'll do like this, empty, and this there is no value. And also we need to add it like this. This one is also required because we need to make it empty. This one is required, codes are required, means empty value we need to save. So that's why. Okay, now it's done. Now we can refresh again and see. Oh, working fine. See here, it's working fine. Perfect. Okay, so whatever you will fill here, like John, some other new address. Okay, and here London. Okay, I don't know much about London, but I'm giving. Okay, no issue. United Kingdom. Okay, like this. Here I don't know which one it is, and here also I don't know. So see this one, it will come and come same United Kingdom. It can select and see here. If you uncheck, then it will means make this one empty, and if you check, and this one is going to fill. Okay, so now you have seen in video, we can able to copy billing address to shipping address. Okay, so now in next video we click on continue button. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. So I hope everything is clear to you, and now it is more clear to you that what about billing address and shipping address, and how we can create this functionality of copy billing address to shipping address. And for this one, we have created the table as well, model as well, so that we can save here at the time of checkout button. Click of the checkout button, we are going to save billing address to users table and shipping address to delivery addresses table for the future use. Okay, so all this we will do now. See here on checkout button. It is, sorry for that, it is checkout button. Checkout button. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.